kailangan yung attitude ninyo, hindi lamang para sa kanta, pero dikit din doon sa personalidad na gagawin ninyo. Naiintindihan ninyo? Okay, paglabas ni Bugoy, nakapagtataka. Okay, ito si Bugoy singing a song which was originally sung by Haji, hindi ba? And then by Sponge Cola, but this is Bugoy singing it. Bugoy, the farmer's son, who's now a big R&B singer. Okay? In the same manner, when I see Apple, okay, singing We Are Family, okay, this is this crazy girl, babaeng bakla. O baklang babae, whatever. Okay? In the same manner, when I sing Hans, okay, if you're gonna sing Bailamos, okay, sasayaw ka pa raw, di ba? Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay, pucha, give me a Casanova. Kasaba. Not a cassava cake. Okay. Not a cassava cake, a Casanova. Okay? And when you sing When Doves Fly, I heard you're gonna play the piano, enjoy it. And show everyone na, okay. Do you understand what I mean?
Sure.
Now my big announcement, I think it's time to make my big announcement. You see, next week will be very, very important to all of us. Why? You're confronting a very big week next week. At sinasabi ko ito sa inyo, hindi para diskaralin at maalis ang focus ninyo sa darating na Sabado na mahalaga ang performance in the same manner that every gala night is as important. But next week is midterms week. All the professors will be giving you midterm exams. Okay? And I am giving you a midterm exam. And ang inatas nila sa akin is to explain to you guys kung ano ang midterm exam ko. Monday, wala tayong klase sa akin kasi uupo tayo dahil nga midterm week, iba ang gagawin natin sa Monday, which they will tell you on Sunday. Pero andito pa rin ako. Okay? Pero ang exam ko is on Wednesday. Okay? At mahirap ang exam ko. Okay? Paano ang gagawin natin? Anong exam ko sa inyo? Which is a media performance class on Wednesday. All of you will have to learn 2 songs. The whole song. Okay? You don't know which of the 2 songs you will be made to perform. One is a fast number and one is a slow number. Okay? One is a number which is very modern and the other is a standard number. Okay? You will only learn kung ano yung kakantahin ninyo for me on the day itself. Bubunutin ninyo if it's 1 or 2. Okay? But you have to learn not 2 stanzas and 1 refrain but the whole song. More so, you have to give me an interpretation of that song. I don't want a cover version ng song.
Sir, kailangan memorize po yung song.
The whole song is memorized. And you have to sing it to me performance level. Ang gagawin natin, this room will be a studio. Okay? Of which there will be 2 cameras. Okay? Isa-isa kayong papasok from the house. Hindi lahat sabay-sabay. Okay? You will be judged 50% what I see live and 50% what I see on camera. Let me add something more to that. Okay, uulitin ko idadagdag ko pa doon. So 50% what I see live, 50% on camera. Pero since it's performance level, kailangan bihis kayo for a real performance. Magme-makeup kayo, mag-aayos kayo, pero walang stylist. Gagawin ninyo sa inyong sarili. Pero may isa pa tayong restriction dyan. Ang pwede nyo lang isuot na basic ay maong jeans, sneakers, and a Dream Academy t-shirt. Kung ano i-accessorize ninyo, yung bibigyan kayo ng Dream Academy t-shirt, you can do anything you want to do with it. To style it. But you have to be unique and you must have a personality. Nangangahulugan na bahala kayong gawin nyo sa t-shirt pero paglabas ninyo, gusto ko distinct yung personalidad ninyo. Okay? You put your own makeup, you prepare yourself for whatever, but you can be made to sing any of the 2 songs. Okay. Oh,